Hi guys, so look what I found on my local Dollar Tree. This is a USB mini vacuum cleaner and look how cute it is. And I'm like, this thing probably does not work, and it has a long cord like I said, and it's USB. And I said, let me try it on. So at first I couldn't turn it on. It took me a few tries to hit the button, I guess because it was new. But then I was amazed. It really does work. It really sucks up little particles. So if you like something cute or something to put in your car, go to your nearest Dollar Tree. Just $1.25. And look how cute. It does work. Check it out.